Okay, I'll start now. See, so this is the formula of future value that they are asking us to calculate. See, find out what amount will it become at the end of 1 year. What amount will it become at the end of 1 year means they are asking about the future. So whenever the future is asked, we have to calculate the formula of future value. So what is the formula of future value? Tell me. PV bracket 1 plus R raised
PV
to N.
bracket 1 plus R raised to N.
Very good. PV bracket 1 plus R raised to N. Where again same. Where FV is equals to future value,
Future
PV is
value,
equals to present value.
present value.
Yes, R is equals to,
R is equal to rate of
and
interest. N is
N is
equal to
equals
number
to,
of years.
very good,
Number
number
of
of
years.
years. Very good. Now formula is same, but there is a technical problem here that you have to go through very clearly. See, the Swaraj has invested rupees 1 lakh today. So 1 lakh is my present value. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 lakh is the amount that I'm investing today. 1 lakh is the amount that I am investing today. Okay. At the rate of 10%. So 1 plus 0.10. Yes, is it correct? 10 percentage. Is it correct one? 10 percentage. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
10 percentage. 10 is 0.10. We have understood that. But after that, three words are written which are very, very important. Students misunderstand these three words and ignore these three words, but no. If you ignore, the answer will be completely wrong. Completely wrong. Okay, so what are these three words? 10% per annum interest compounded half yearly. If it is compounded half yearly, compounded means to be increased half yearly. So half yearly means if this 10% is half yearly, then for how many years you want to invest? How many years you want to invest this money for? How many years you
Six
want to invest this
half
money for?
Sixth month.
6 months.
Sixth
No,
month.
no, I'm not asking that number of years. I'm asking N. See, find out what the amount will become at the end of 1 year. The investment is done for 1 year, no? See, guys, I'm asking you for how many years you are investing rupees 1 lakh. Tell me, guys.
1 year.
Yes, this is what I was asking you, no? This is just for 1 year that I'm asking you to invest. Yes, you are investing only for 1 year. Okay. Now, because it says compounding is done for half yearly. Compounding is done half yearly. So, if it is done half yearly, for full year it will become double. If the compounding is done half yearly, that means it is half. Half को आप full करो. Now convert it into full. Full means double, no? So into 2. See, 1 into 2 out in the bracket. We have to write raised to 1 into 2. After the bracket, we have to write 1. 1 means 1 year. But it is compounded half yearly. Therefore, double half is 0.51. Okay. If we convert it into whole yearly, it will become double. Okay. Now because 1 into 2 किया, यहाँ पे into किया ना, ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर into किया तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर उसको डिवाइड करने का. After the bracket you have multiplied, no? So inside the bracket it will be divided. You have to put a big bracket. हाँ, ये ब्रैकेट को थोड़ा बड़ा कर देना. मतलब ब्रैकेट के अंदर आपको कैसे लिखना है? 1 plus 0.10 divide by 2 bracket close. So 0.10 divide by 2, not whole divide by 2. How is the formula now? See, 1 lakh bracket 1 plus 0.10 divided by 2 bracket close raised to 1 into 2. Half yearly means double. Half yearly means 6 months ka na. 6 months is half of 12 months. So what will be for 12 months? Double. 6 into 6 2 times, no? When it is half yearly, it means 6 months. If you want to calculate for whole year, you will have to take 6 months 2 times. 2 times you have to calculate. Therefore 2. Therefore 2 plays a very important role here. So after the bracket, you have to multiply it with 2. And inside the bracket, it will be divided by 2 because 0.10 is half yearly, half. It is half. So divide by 2. Have you understood the concept? Tell me at least
Yes.
with yes
Yes,
or no.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So this is the way you have to use the formula, use the values. Now, 1 lakh rupees will be same. Now, in the bracket, what you have to write? See. In the bracket, what you have to write, I'll tell you. Listen very, very carefully. First, you have to write 1 plus. 1 plus is written same. Why? Because first we have to divide, no? 0.10 divided by 2. 0.10 divided by 2. What is the answer?
0.05.
Yes, very good. 0.05. This is what we have solved inside the bracket. This is what is solved inside the bracket. Now outside the bracket. Outside the bracket is raised to 1 into 2. What is 1 into 2?
2.
2. It is
2.
2, but it is raised to 2. Huh? It is raised to 2. Now, 1 lakh will be same. Now, let's open the bracket. How we will, no. Before opening the bracket, let's solve it inside the bracket. It is 1 plus 0.05. What should be the answer? 1.05. Is it correct?
05.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Slowly. See, the important step is to put the formula. Next important step is to put the values of the formula. After putting the values, there is not a difficult task. Solving it is not difficult task. Putting right values is a difficult task, is a challenging task. Okay. Now, as per what values we have used, now as per that particular value, we will start solving the equation. First, see, 1 lakh is same, 1 is same, plus is same. Divide 0.10 divide by 2. So it will be 0.05. Bracket close. 1 into 2, 2. So it is raised to 2. Third step, write down 1 lakh same. In the bracket, it is 1 plus 0.05. What is after addition? 1.05 raised to 2. Now, wait, huh? This 1 lakh will be same. It will be same until you solve the bracket. Now we can solve the bracket. Open the bracket now. What is in the bracket? 1.05 raised to 2. So what is 1.05? 2 times.
1.10.
See, raised to 2 means it is 2 times. So we have to multiply 2 times. What? 1.05 into
1.10.
1.05.
Huh.
1.05 into 1.05. So the answer is 1.10. And if we multiply with 1 lakh, and if we
1
multiply
lakh
it with 1,
10,000.
yes, sorry,
1,
1 lakh 10,000.
1
1
lakh
lakh 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 what?
Rupees. Rupees.
Okay, 1 lakh
Rupees.
10,000. Okay, 1 lakh 10,000. So it is rupees 1 lakh 10,000. The final answer is rupees 1 lakh 10,000. See, look at the answer here. Is it 1 lakh 10,000 rupees? Here we have got 250 rupees extra. Don't look at that 250 rupees. Whatever we are getting is our correct answer. I hope you guys have calculated perfectly, huh? Because calci is in your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Start solving this problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for today it is enough. We'll continue tomorrow on
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Keep revising, everybody. Huh? Okay. Bye, everybody. I hope you all have understood and have no doubts. See, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, after a quick, a short revision, we can discuss your doubts on Saturday. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.